Hi everyone. In this presentation, we are going to teach about mastering in as a preposition. How can we use in? Sometimes we get stuck in the middle of speaking since we don't know how to use the prepositions. That is one of the major mistakes people do. If you watch this full presentation, you will get a thorough idea about how to use in as a preposition. Let's start. Using in. We can use in for location and movement. Also, we can replace into by in. There are some cases like jump in the river, jump in the tank, jump in the well, jump in the pool. In as a preposition of manner. Manner, the way, how we do it, how something is done. I write this text in Spanish. I write the book in English. I'm going to address the meeting in English. Often in is followed by a determiner. In a soft voice, then we can use in before the noun or pronoun or stranded at the end of the clause. Preposition can be fronted or stranded. In as an adverb means inside or toward the inside. Example, can you bring them in? Can you bring them in? As an adverb. In, inside. Inside. Can you bring them in means to bring it inside. Bring them inside. Follows verbs to add the extra information. Could you bring him in? We can use in these situations. Now we are going to talk about the difference of in and into. When in replaces into. In is used instead of into to describe movement or action. Jump in the river can also be said as jump into the river. Here we replace into by in. Next, choosing the right preposition. In often describes being inside or within a place, inside or within a place, inside a room, in a box, in the cupboard. Into emphasizes entering or moving toward the inside with a movement. Inside we use with a movement. Please come inside. Go inside the room. There are some tips. Use in for general location or state. Then into for actions involving movement from outside to inside. Hope you understand the difference of in versus into. As I said before, we can use in to show the manner of an action, like language or style. Which language we use, which style we use. Some examples. I write in Spanish. It means the language you use is Spanish to write. She talked in a soft voice. How did she talk? She talked in a soft voice. The way she spoke. Next is position in sentences. We know in means in, side something. In often follows a determiner, an adjective, in a soft voice. Okay, this is position in sentences in a soft voice. He talked to me in loud voice. Not only soft voice, you can use even for loud voice. He talked to me in loud voice. He talked to me in bad language. This is how we use in a manner. Fronting and stranding with in. What is preposition fronting? Fronting means before the pronoun or noun. In whom do you believe? In whom do you believe? What is preposition stranding? Stranding leaves the preposition at the end of the clause. Whom do you believe in at the end? How structure affects meaning. Both forms are correct, but fronting is more formal. Stranding is common in everyday speech. Fronting is more formal. We know the way we speak is not the way we write. We can use fronting using in before the noun or pronoun. In whom do you believe? It's formal. Okay? It's formal. Then stranding is for everyday speech. At the end of the clause. Whom do you believe in? Whom do you believe in? Fronting and stranding. In front, and in at the end of the clause. What are the key takeaways on in? How can we use in instead of into, or to tell about something inside? The manner. In can replace into in some contexts. Shows manner, how something is done. Also functions as an adverb. Means inside or toward the inside. Then position matters. We know in means inside. Okay. And in sentences, position matters. We can use fronted or stranded. In questions and relative clauses. You will able to know about the relative clauses in future. In this video, you better to get the idea about making questions using in. In whom do you believe means fronting. Whom do you believe in means stranding. At the end of the clause, we use in, stranding. At the beginning of the question, we use before pronoun or noun. If we use in, we say fronting. Then when we practice for natural English, we can use in for clearer, more fluent communication. Fluent communication. He's fluent in English. He speaks in English well. Something like that. Hope you understand how to use in. If you subscribe our channel, you will learn many applications, grammar, idioms, phrases, and many more. If you are interested to join our class, you can contact me to join the class. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.